Good. Hey guys, it's Dave from Cousins Paintball, and we got a request for a install video for the mechanical frame for the 170R from Planet Eclipse. We haven't done one yet, so we're gonna learn together. It shouldn't take a lot, but we'll learn together and we'll get after it. All right, should be pretty easy to do. You're only gonna need 4 tools. You need a 5/64 to take the grip panels off, 1/8 to remove the frame from the body, 5/32 to take the ASA/regulator apart, and a pair of needle nose to finish taking the reg out, or the reg piston out. So I guess we'll start with grip panels, because you're going to transfer those to the new frame anyway. Gonna need to take the rubber grip off to get to that. Then remove the front frame screw and the rear frame screws in the underneath the bolt. That's pretty much the entire top of the body. Put that off to the side for now. The 2 screws that hold the frame on, or the ASA and the regulator in place, are underneath it. You actually don't even need the needle nose. You might. Grab the reg pistons, gently pull it out, and you're done with all this stuff. That's the electronic frame. Put the reg piston in the mechanical frame, put the ASA in the regulator on the mechanical frame. There's a hook that goes on the front of the body. The one thing you got to make sure is that the this seal comes from the electronic frame. It swaps over, because that seals your solenoid to the gun. If you don't, there'll be a massive leak, and then you'll be reminded that you didn't do that. Put your frame screws on. The mechanical kit also comes with a blanking plate. Basically, it just simulates the 9-volt battery. I didn't grab it, but you just stick that guy in there, just so that the grip's not floppy behind it, but you get the gist. Put the bolt in, and just put your grip panels back on. Put the screws in. We're not going to show you how to do that because screws. You're ready to go.